mechanism of breathing. Aim: understand the mechanism of breathing. Materials required: a wide-mouthed plastic bottle, Y-shaped glass tube, rubber sheet, 1-holed cork, blade, rubber band, balloons. Before entering the procedure, let us learn the structure of the human respiratory system. Human respiratory system contains the respiratory organs which helps in breathing. The whole system contains the parts, starts from nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, diaphragm and ribs. It starts from mouth and nose, which pulls the air to pharynx. It is a part that passes the air between the larynx and trachea. The larynx delivers the air from the mouth and nose to the trachea, and the trachea is a passage connected to the throat and lungs. The bronchi or bronchial tubes at the bottom of the trachea are attached to both lungs, which carry the air to alveoli. The diaphragm are the muscles which help for the lungs to pull the air in and out, and the ribs are the bones which protect the lungs. Procedure: take a wide-mouthed plastic bottle and cut the bottom of the bottle with blade. Take a 1-holed cork and tightly close the top of the bottle with cork. Take a Y-shaped glass tube and insert the balloon on both ends. Insert the Y-shaped glass tube into the cork in inverted position. Take a rubber sheet and cover the bottom of the bottle and tie the tip with rubber band. Just pull the rubber sheet downwards and observe the changes in balloons. Then push up the rubber sheet upwards and observe the changes in balloons. Observation: the above experiment is representing the human respiratory system. The bottle represents the chest cavity, whereas the balloons and the Y-shaped glass tube represents the lungs and the bronchial tubes. When we pull down the rubber sheet, the bottle gets more space. So, the air starts to enter inside the bottle through Y-shaped glass and the balloons start to inflate. This explains the inhalation of the lungs, that ribs move upwards, the diaphragm moves down. So, the chest cavity has more space and the air enters the lungs. When we push up the rubber sheet, the space of the bottle decreases and it pressures the balloons. So, the air gets out from the bottle through Y-shaped glass and the balloons start to deflate. This explains the exhalation of lungs, that ribs move downwards, the diaphragm back to its position. It reduces the size of the chest cavity and the air gets out from the lungs.